Hi, I'm Chef Yogesh with a simple Indo-Chinese recipe of Veg Hakka Noodles, a yummy dish, Indian version of a Chinese Hakka noodle. For that what we need is chopped garlic, julienne of ginger, julienne of carrots, some diamond spring onions, julienne of green pepper, julienne of yellow pepper and julienne of red pepper, some cabbage juliennes as well, some slit green chilies, seasonings, salt, pepper and an aromat, soya sauce and vinegar to taste. We are cutting these vegetables in a julienne style because it has to match up with the noodles. So let's start with the Veg Hakka noodle. For that we again need a wok. Again, if you do not have a wok in your house, you can use again a fry pan. A non-stick fry pan can be a better option for that. I am using sunflower oil. You can use any other oil as per your choice. You can use even olive oil. For the Veg Hakka noodles, again we're going to drop some garlic, some julienne of ginger, add a little bit of carrot, some of the green capsicum, juliennes of yellow pepper, juliennes of red pepper, and to make it a little spicier, just a little bit of split chilies. By adding all these peppers and carrot and cabbage, which we're going to add it a little bit of later, it gives it a nice color combination. Once the vegetables are cooked, drop in your noodles. These noodles are boiled. A little bit of black pepper, salt, a little bit of aromat, pinch of soya, and again a little bit of vinegar just to taste. Finish it off with a little bit of spring onions. If you are an onion lover, you can drop in even sliced onion in that. There you go. Veg Hakka noodles is ready to serve. You can garnish it with a little bit of spring onion. So there you go, your Veg Hakka noodles is ready to serve.